Yawning is universal. Despite its simplicity, its causes remain complex and debated by scientists. Yawning is more than tiredness. It involves deep inhalation and exhalation. Let's uncover its true purpose beyond common myths. Yawning isn't just about oxygen. Science shows it helps regulate brain temperature. Discover the surprising truth behind this everyday action. Myth 1. Yawning means you're tired. Yet, even athletes yawn before events, hinting at another cause. Myth 2. Yawning boosts oxygen intake. Studies reveal extra oxygen doesn't stop yawning, pointing to a different purpose. Myth 3. Covering your mouth stops germs. In fact, it's a social norm rather than an effective germ control method. The leading theory: yawning cools the brain. Like a radiator, it helps maintain optimal brain temperature. Deep breaths during yawning draw in cool air, lowering blood temperature to cool the brain. Jaw and sinus stretching in a yawn boosts blood flow, dissipating heat and aiding brain cooling. Like a computer, your brain overheats. Yawning cools it, optimizing function and keeping you alert. Yawning is contagious, linked to empathy and social bonding, seen more in social animals. Contagious yawning is less common in young children and some with autism, reflecting differences in social cognition. Evolutionarily, contagious yawning may sync group behavior, signaling a need to cool down or rest together. Beyond cooling, yawning may boost alertness and reduce stress, acting as a quick reset. A yawn stretches facial muscles, increases blood flow, and relieves tension, refreshing both face and brain. Yawning is a complex, fascinating process, from cooling the brain to bonding socially, revealing deep biological and social roles.